In today's tutorial, we are going to dive into handy function that can make your data analysis. We'll be covering the subtotal function in Excel. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced Excel user, this function can save your time and help you create more organized spreadsheet. So let's get started. The subtotal function is Excel allow you to perform calculation on a range of data while providing a way to group and categorize your data. It's particularly useful for summarizing data in table with multiple variable or categories. Okay. Unlike topical function like sum, average, or count, subtotal can calculate values while representing heading or filter row, making it perfect for subtotaling within organized dataset. Here we are using the data with the customer's ID, customer name, and the items sold, and also the sales in month here. And here we have the several same categories or items sold, so you can easily make it as a subtotal like the mobile, and also make it the microphone. This will be the subtotal. So how can do that? I will show you. First I am gonna use the total value, so let me use this one, the sum functions. Then select the range, this one, then close it with the parenthesis, and we have got it, the total says reporting there. Now I want to make the subtotal of this like the mouse, or I can use for the microphone. Different way by using the subtotal functions. Just write the subtotal, and here you can find there is the several option like functions number. You can easily use the number. Okay, let's start with the sum, and the sum is the 9, so I select here the 9. Then the next argument is say the reference, so I want to subtotal for the mouse. Now I just close it, hit on the OK. So here we got it, this is the subtotal of mouse. If you want to change the subtotal, you can easily select here or the reference or functions number, or also you can change the range of the references. Okay, so that it's for today's tutorial how to use the subtotal function in Excel. So subtotal function in Excel is a powerful tools for summarizing, grouping, and organizing your data. I hope this tutorial will be help you to organize your data with the subtotal. Thanks for watching.